What if I told you that a tiny clog, something smaller than a grain of sand, could silently rob your engine of power, waste your fuel, and slowly damage your car without you even noticing? Even worse, most drivers blame the wrong parts. But today, you're going to learn how to spot one of the most overlooked problems in any engine: dirty fuel injectors. In this video, we're diving deep into how to diagnose dirty fuel injectors the right way. You'll learn what fuel injectors actually do, how they fail, the warning signs most people ignore, and simple ways to confirm the problem without expensive tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell if your car is struggling because of dirty injectors or something else entirely. And trust me, this knowledge can save you a lot of money. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. Section 1. What fuel injectors actually do. Simple explanation. Let's start with the basics. Fuel injectors are like precision spray nozzles. Their job is to deliver the exact amount of fuel into your engine in a fine mist, almost like a perfume spray. Why does that matter? Because engines don't just burn fuel, they burn a mixture of fuel and air. And for that mixture to burn properly, the fuel has to be evenly distributed. Think of it like cooking. If you pour oil evenly into a pan, everything cooks smoothly. But if you dump it in one spot, parts burn and parts stay raw. That's exactly what happens when injectors get dirty. Instead of a fine mist, you get uneven sprays, drips, or even blockages. Section 2. What causes fuel injectors to get dirty? Now here's where things start to get interesting. Fuel injectors don't just randomly fail. They get dirty over time, and it's usually because of fuel quality and heat. Here are the main causes. 1. Carbon deposits. Every time your engine runs, tiny carbon particles build up. Over time, these deposits stick to the injector tips and restrict flow. 2. Low quality fuel. Not all fuel is created equal. Cheaper fuel often contains more impurities, which can clog injectors faster. 3. Short trips. If you mostly drive short distances, your engine doesn't get hot enough to burn off deposits, so they keep building up. 4. Old fuel system components. A failing fuel filter can allow dirt to pass through and reach the injectors, so even if your injectors were clean before, they won't stay that way for long. Section 3. The most common symptoms of dirty fuel injectors. Now let's talk about the symptoms, because this is where most people get confused. Dirty fuel injectors don't always cause obvious problems at first, but over time, the symptoms become harder to ignore. 1. Rough idle. If your engine feels shaky when sitting still, that's a big clue. A clean injector delivers consistent fuel, but a dirty one doesn't. So some cylinders get too much fuel, others get too little. That imbalance causes the engine to vibrate or idle rough. 2. Poor fuel economy. Are you filling up more often than usual? Dirty injectors can waste fuel because they don't spray efficiently. Instead of a fine mist, fuel may come out in droplets, and droplets don't burn as well. So your engine uses more fuel to produce the same power. 3. Loss of power. This is one of the biggest complaints. You press the accelerator, but the car feels slow. Why? Because your engine isn't getting the right fuel-air mixture. It's like trying to run while breathing through a straw. You can still move, but not at your full potential. 4. Engine misfires. A misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to burn fuel properly. Dirty injectors can cause this by delivering inconsistent fuel. You might feel jerking, hesitation, or sudden loss of power while driving. 5. Hard starting. If your car struggles to start, especially in the morning, dirty injectors could be the reason. They may not deliver enough fuel during ignition, so the engine cranks longer than usual before starting. If you are liking the video so far, kindly comment, like, and share this video. 6. Strong fuel smell or black smoke. In some cases, injectors can leak or spray too much fuel. This leads to incomplete combustion, and that means a strong fuel smell, black smoke from the exhaust. Both are signs something is wrong with fuel delivery. Section 4. Real-world example. Relatable scenario. Let's make this real. Imagine you've been driving your car for a few years. Everything seems fine. But slowly, you notice the car feels weaker. Fuel consumption increases. The engine vibrates at idle. You think maybe it's the spark plugs, or maybe the fuel pump. So you replace parts, and nothing changes. The real problem? Dirty injectors. This happens more often than you think, because injector issues mimic other problems. That's why proper diagnosis is so important. Section 5. How to diagnose dirty fuel injectors. Step by step. Now let's get practical. Here's how you can actually diagnose the issue. Step 1. Listen to the engine. Start your car and let it idle. Pay attention to how it sounds and feels. A smooth engine should sound steady. If you hear uneven vibrations or shaking, that's a clue. Step 2. Check fuel consumption. Track how often you fill your tank. If you notice a sudden drop in fuel efficiency without changing your driving habits, dirty injectors could be the reason. Step 3. Use a fuel injector cleaner, a basic test. This is one of the simplest tests. Add a fuel injector cleaner to your tank. Drive normally for a few days. If performance improves, that means your injectors were likely dirty. But if nothing changes, the problem might be more severe. Step 4. Check for engine misfires. Pay attention while driving. Do you feel jerks or hesitation during acceleration? That's often a sign of inconsistent fuel delivery. Step 5. Inspect spark plugs. This is a powerful diagnostic trick. Remove your spark plugs and examine them. If one plug looks darker or dirtier than the others, that cylinder might be getting too much or too little fuel, which points directly to the injector. Step 6. Injector test, professional, advanced. If you want full confirmation, mechanics use tools like injector balance tests, fuel pressure tests, ultrasonic cleaning machines. These tests measure how well each injector performs, and they can reveal problems you can't see. Section 6. Dirty injectors versus other problems. Avoid misdiagnosis. Here's something most people don't realize. Dirty injectors can look like other issues. For example, bad spark plugs, weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, faulty sensors. That's why replacing parts randomly can waste money. The key is to look at patterns. If multiple symptoms point to fuel delivery, injectors should be high on your list. But here's where things get even more interesting. Not all dirty injectors act the same. Some clog slightly and reduce performance slowly, while others fail suddenly and cause serious engine problems almost overnight. And if ignored for too long, dirty injectors can actually damage your engine. Let's talk about how. Section 7. What happens if you ignore dirty injectors? This is where things get serious. Ignoring dirty injectors doesn't just affect performance, it can lead to long-term damage. 1. Engine overheating. A lean mixture, too little fuel, causes higher combustion temperatures. That extra heat can damage engine components. 2. Carbon buildup in the engine. Poor fuel spray leads to incomplete combustion, and that creates more carbon deposits inside the engine. It's a vicious cycle. 3. Damage to pistons and valves. Uneven fuel distribution can create hot spots inside the engine. Over time, this can damage pistons and valves, and that's not cheap to fix. 4. Catalytic converter damage. Excess fuel from leaking injectors can reach the exhaust system. This can overheat and damage the catalytic converter, which is one of the most expensive components to replace. Section 8. Cleaning versus replacing injectors. So what should you do if your injectors are dirty? You have 2 options. Option 1. Cleaning. For mild to moderate buildup, cleaning works well. You can use fuel additives or professional cleaning services. This is the cheaper option and often restores performance. Option 2. Replacement. If injectors are severely clogged or damaged, cleaning might not be enough. In that case, replacement is the best solution. Yes, it's more expensive, but it restores your engine to full performance. Section 9. Prevention. Save yourself the trouble. The best way to deal with dirty injectors is to prevent them in the first place. Here's how. 1. Use quality fuel. Better fuel contains cleaning additives that reduce buildup. 2. Replace your fuel filter regularly. This keeps dirt from reaching your injectors. 3. Take longer drives occasionally. Let your engine reach full operating temperature. This helps burn off deposits. 4. Use injector cleaner periodically. Think of it like maintenance for your fuel system. Final thoughts. So let's quickly wrap this up. Dirty fuel injectors might be small, but they can cause big problems, from rough idle and poor fuel economy to engine misfires and long-term damage. The key is knowing the signs: rough engine behavior, increased fuel consumption, loss of power, hard starting, and most importantly, knowing how to diagnose the issue before replacing parts, because the right diagnosis saves money, time, and stress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more simple, real-world car diagnostics that actually make sense. And if you want to keep learning, check out our next video on how to diagnose a failing fuel pump. You don't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.